Yes, see children. So we have completed the lesson that health is wealth. If we have money also, we cannot get health back. But health is very important. If we have health, anytime we can earn the money also, right? So health is wealth. Now, it's a time to answer the questions. We have completed the lesson, so we can see the questions. So what's the first question? What are the qualities of the king? So here so many qualities are there. So what are the qualities of the king? So tell me, see the answer. See the answer. The king was kind. The king was kind and generous. The king was generous and kind, and the king was kind and generous, very kind-hearted and generous man he is. And see the second question, why people were not happy with the king? So that king is very kind and generous, but people are happy? No, they were not happy. Why? Why were not they happy? So see the answer for this. The people were not happy with the king because he was too lazy and not doing anything. Because he was too lazy and was not doing anything. And was not doing anything. The people were not happy with the king because he was too lazy and was not doing anything. Right? And see the third question. How did the king spend his time? How did the king spend his time? So how did he spend here? See the answer. The king spent weeks and months. The king spent weeks and months in bed. Either eating something or sleeping. Either eating something or sleeping. The king spent weeks and months in bed, either eating something or sleeping. Either eating or sleeping. So with that only he spent. Because of that people were not happy with him. Right? And now see the fourth question. How did the king become? How did he become? The king became potato couch. The king became potato couch, that which he cannot move. Like that he became, right? The king became potato couch, right? Next, let's see the fifth question. Fifth question, how did the king's enemies make fun of him? How did the kings make fun of him? How did the king's enemies make fun of him? They made some jokes also on him. What are the names they kept? Yes, the king. See the answer. The king's enemies. The king's enemies made fun of him by calling, what did they call? Yes, bulky, right? Fatty king, calling him fatty king, bulky king, they made fun on him, calling fatty king, bulky king, right? So the king's enemies made fun of him by calling him fatty king, bulky king, etc. So any more names means etc. we can call. Okay. And see the next one. Who visited the region of the king? Who visited there? A holy man. A holy man visited the region of the king. A holy man visited the region of the king. Who visited? The holy man visited the region of the king. Right? And see the next question, last one. What did the holy man say to the minister? What did the holy man say to the minister? What did he tell? The holy man said that he could easily cure the king. He could easily cure the king. He could easily cure the king. So that he said. What did the holy man say to the minister? The holy man said that he could easily cure the king. So that we can see the question answers. Yes, say children, the next one we have here. Which of these words you use to describe the king? So in this lesson, health is wealth, about the king we have learned so many words, right? So in this, here total some words they have given. Among these, which word is describing about the king, that we should take them. And the remaining words we should leave them. So first see this one, lazy. The king was lazy. So can we take it or not? Yes. So the king was lazy. And the dash, it is rich. So the kings means already they are rich or not? Yes. So he is rich. And king cruel. Is it related to king? No. He is not at all cruel. He is kind and generous. So cruel we cannot take. And kind and generous. So kind is related to the king only. And this lesson. And unhappy. People were unhappy and his health also spoiled. So he was ill health. At that time he was unhappy. So this is also related. This king. And active. Is he active? No, inactive he is. That's why we cannot take it. And dull. So next one they gave dull. So yes, when his health is not good, at that time he became dull. So then dull also correct. Poor. Is he poor? No. So he is rich. That's why we cannot take poor as the word. So now we should take the answers here. Words lazy, rich, kind, unhappy, dull. So these words are related to the king in this lesson. Right? And now see the next one. Fill in the blanks using clue kit. What are the clues they give here? Health, bad, kind, unhappy, lazy. So total 5 words they have given, 5 sentences also there. And which word is suitable here in the sentence, we should find it. Now see this one, let's start first one. The king was, who is he? The king was lazy. The king was lazy. He is lazy king na? So the king was lazy. And people were dash with the king. Are they happy with the king? No. So then what can we take here? People were unhappy with the king. People were unhappy with the king. And now see this one. The king was very, how is he? The king was very kind. The king was very kind. And the king spent days and months in, where did he spend? In bed only. Eating and sleeping. Eating, sleeping. Then he became very inactive. Could not move his leg also. So he spent days and months in bed. And last one, the king regained his, what did he regain? His health again. So he regained his health. So the king regained his health. So these topics we have in the time to answer. So next topic we can see. See children, here it's a time to spell. So in this, what did they ask here? It's looking like match the following. But not only match the following, some trick is there. You find it? See here, unscramble. Unscramble means not written properly. So what are these? Unscramble the letters of the words given the right side. So these words they give unscrambling. Unscramble means either right to left we should read, or else jumble letters they gave it, we should keep them in the proper order. And those should match to the left side. Then match the words with description given in the left. So for this we should match it. So first shall we do these unscrambled words into proper words. So see this one, first one. From this side if we read it, L-L-I-N-E-S-S. N-E-S-S-ness we can understand. But L-L-I do we have? No. But here this one if we take it, yes, we can get the answer here, that illness. So then we can take it as illness. I-L-L-N-E-S-S. Illness. And now come to this one. So you try to read it from the left, right to left. U-E-S-L-E-S-S. So somewhat it is we can pronounce, but slight mistake here. So then unscramble. Correct order if you write it. What is this? Useless. U-S-E-L-E-S-S. And now come here. Yes, from the left, right to left. If you speak it, this one is big. This is big. And now this is also speak it. Yes, tell me spelling. P-O-P-U-L-A-R. P-O-P-U-L-A-R. So then it is popular. And now see this one. D-N-I-K. So in the reverse you speak it. Pronounce it. K-I-N-D. Yes, we got the word K-I-N-D. Kind. Right. So now we got the proper words. So which are the suitable for this we can see. Yes, generous. So king is generous and kind. So kind where do we have? Here. So then first one we can take the answer. Generous and kind. So first one E. And so for the general suitable word, kind. Next one, renowned. Renowned means most popular one. So what do we have popular here? Where do we have? Here. So popular. Then we can take the answer D. And enormous. Enormous, large, big. Where do we have? Yes, here only we have. So C. And vain. Vain means waste, no use. So that means useless. Vain means useless. Then take the answer B. And health. Health if we are very healthy. If we have any health issue we call it illness. So that related word is illness. Illness where do we have? A. Right? So generous, kind, renowned, popular. Renowned, well-known people and popular. So enormous, big, vain, useless. health and illness. So these are the suitable words to match here. Yes, see the children, next they gave the words in the which are we getting the lesson. So I am repeating these words here. So see that which letters you got, which words you got in the lesson. So first I am reading all the words: king, ring, gain, lead, fine, kind, crazy, health, wealth, lazy. So these words they have given. Among these 10 words which we found in the lesson. Already we have read in the lesson. So what we found it, that we can find it. First, king. Yes. This is about the king only. That's why first we should write it king. Yes. That we should circle it. And the next, ring. Did we get ring word in that? No. That's why we cannot circulate. And gain. Yes. He regained his one and gain it. So gain word is there. So you must circulate. Lead, lead, that we get it? No. So that's why lead we don't have. And find, F-I-N-D, find. No, that is also we don't have. But kind, king is very kind and kind-hearted. So kind we have. Crazy, anyone crazy about it like that did they give? No. So crazy we cannot take it. But health. The lesson is only health is wealth. So health is there and wealth is there. Both we should circulate. And lazy, king is very lazy. So lazy also we must circulate. So what are the words can be circulated in this? King, gain, kind, health, wealth, lazy. So these words we should circulate, and remaining 4 words we don't have. That's why we cannot circle them. What are those 4 words? Ring, lead, fine, crazy. These 4 words we cannot circle them. Okay ma? So next see this one. Here look at these pictures. So here they give some pictures and write the correct words from the box next to the picture. So they give the pictures and above that they give some words also which are related. So that words to whom it is related, that we should write. What are the words they have given? Boy, girl, man, place, thing, woman. That they gave it. So which is suitable? Already first one they gave it girl. And the second one, what can you see here? Yes, looking like doctor. But here doctor they didn't give man. So that man we should write. And next one, beautiful place with the greenery. Then we can go for place in the third one. And in the next one, if you see fourth one, yes, boy is there. So then we can write the boy. And next one, table is there. Table it is nothing but thing. So that's why we can write table as thing. And next if you see, yes, women sat there. So woman. So these according to the pictures, what they have given the words, we can fill it. And now see the children.